Hey, what's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got a review of the D-Link Smart DIY Security Kit, which includes a full HD Wi-Fi camera with a built-in smart home hub, a door/window sensor, and a motion sensor. Upon opening the box, you'll find a note stating to install the full HD Wi-Fi camera first, as the smart home hub is part of the camera, and to activate the sensors, this step will need to be completed first. Taking a look inside the box, we'll find individual retail packages for the camera, window/door sensor, and that motion sensor. Something to note is that the motion sensor doesn't seem to support Google Assistant, whilst the window/door sensor does support Google Assistant. So let's start with that camera. Taking a look at the camera and its image quality, the camera is advertised to feature a 1080p image. In my opinion though, it's more like a mediocre 720p image, and whilst that might sound harsh, the big issue here is that the camera encodes at a low bitrate. Basically, just don't expect the best image quality from this camera, but for keeping an eye on your pets or as a baby monitor, I think it should suffice. The camera also features IR LED indicators, so it's able to work in the dark and provides some detail, although be that in black and white. Let's now talk about that window/door sensor. Setting up this is just like the motion sensor. You'll add a new device with the My D-Link app and scan the QR code. From here, the device will pair/bind to the full HD Wi-Fi camera and its smart home hub, and you're able to give your devices a name and group them accordingly. Something I was very impressed with though was how quick the My D-Link app gave rich notifications letting me know. Next up was that motion sensor, which is great for detecting specific motion events, and whilst there is no Google Assistant integration on this product, I'm not sure if it's really needed, such like the window/door sensor. What's nice though is that you can trigger events/notifications when motion is detected through the My D-Link app or through IFTTT, and this opens up even more options for your smart home. At the end of the day, if you're looking to smarten your home, then the D-Link Smart DIY Security Kit might be a good starting option. And when connected through other smart home devices, it works flawlessly when it works. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. A special thanks to D-Link for providing this for review. Please note all the opinions in this video are my own, and nobody saw the video before it was published. Anyways, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.